The first material that we have is the glue gun. Next is the stick glue, the buzzer, the clip, and of course, the battery, the wires, the scissors, the card, and the board where we put in our materials. The first thing to do is we need to connect the wire to the battery. We need to connect it properly so that the flow of the electricity is smooth. By rotating the wire to the battery, we can ensure that the electricity can flow smoothly through the wire. To make sure that the wires is strongly connected to the battery, we need to put a glue on it through our material, which is the glue gun and the stick glue, since we don't have the soldering iron and the soldering lead. We need to ensure that we put the glue on the battery properly, since it will hold the wires. After it, we should connect the other wire to the pole of the battery. And what we do is we just simply rotating the wire to the pole, since we are sure that it will hold for a long period of time. In this step, we cut the positive wire to connect it to our material, which is the clip. After cutting it, we strip it both the edge of the cut wires and then rotate it to ensure that it will hold. Then connect it to the clip with the thumbtacks in the mouth part of the clip. By simply connecting the wires, we need to ensure that it strongly holds on the thumbtacks to make sure our output will properly work and to avoid malfunctions. If you see that the wires is not connected properly, connect it as soon as possible to avoid damages in our materials. In this step, the first thing we do is putting the card on the mouth of the clip so that it will not connect immediately. After it, we strip the edge of the positive wire to connect it to our buzzer. After the positive wire, we strip the edge of the negative wire to connect it to our buzzer. And just like in the clip and the battery, we just simply rotate the wire and then tie it in each pose of the buzzer. As usual, we make sure that the electricity can flow smoothly and the wires can hold for a long period of time. We are just finished connecting our materials. What we need to do now is to put it to our board through the use of the glue gun and stick glue. We need to put it as neat as possible to make our output attractive, and we need to ensure that it will last for long. We need to ensure that all the materials is strong as possible. The wires, the clip, the battery, and the buzzer is connected perfectly to the board. If you're not okay with the firmness of the materials, there is no wrong to recheck it and make it firm to achieve the durability of your output. For us to be satisfied with our output, we just need to put some hard work on it and some patience on it. With this attitude, we will overwhelmed of what we have done.